Hi and welcome. When you want to add a child resource to an existing Azure resource, you can use Child Resource tab. Here I already have my SQL Server provisioned to Azure, and I want to put a database on that SQL Server. This is called a parent-child relationship. To create infrastructure code for such scenario, first you need to choose the type of your parent resource. Then, Clophi lists all the available child resources for that parent resource on the right tab. I choose Database. Here you can choose a draft database template where fields are filled for you in advance. Now you need to specify the existing parent resource over the origin resource reference field. You can use Retrieve from Azure button to choose one of the suitable parent resources in your Azure tenant. As my parent resource, I choose the SQL Server that I have just shown you. After adding this child resource to your infrastructure, you can add other resources to your infrastructure. I already added 3 different resources to my infrastructure previously. Now, you can choose in what format you want your infrastructure code. I want my infrastructure code to be parameterized bicep. In the code, you can see the parent-child relationship is taken care of. Thanks for watching.